So this is just a demonstration on how to develop a Dialogflow agent or chatbot um, to help students practice oral communication skills. And this particular example is about talking to a chatbot about job application like interviews. Okay, I will start off by clicking on a small microphone here and say hello. Okay,
Greetings. I am a chatbot called English X. How can I assist?
I hope you can hear the sound. I want a job.
You want to get a job. I see. Now tell me your name, please.
John Smith.
Okay, John. Can you speak English?
Yes,
Please identify your ability level.
intermediate.
I see, John. Your language ability is at the intermediate level. Tell me about your computer skills. Are you good at programming?
No, not at all.
I see. Can you speak any other languages apart from English?
Yes, I can speak Chinese.
By the way, what is the position are you applying for?
Teacher.
Please enter the code for the position.
Now, this is really tricky because in order to enter the code, you need to know the code. If you don't know any code, like you use the random number, uh, like this, okay? What happened is that when you enter, if you ask the same code again,
Please enter the code for the position.
you can enter a random number and then see what happened.
Please enter the code for the position.
Now you can use this, as a what we call security measure, and in order to to do some security checks. Anyway, I hope I still can remember the code. Okay, let's say that you has the code here and then enter. Now what happened is that when you has the code,
Your position as teacher. Your code is ABC 123,321. Next question is about your favorite color. Listen carefully. What is your favorite color?
so this is just as you can see before we move on, you can actually review the lesson. This is the good thing. If you want to practice, you can actually copy all of this, and then copy it for your reference for your learning. You can even ask the student to practice and then write a dialogue, write a sentence. So hello, uh, you can practice.
Greetings. I am a chatbot called English X. How can I assist?
You can say, oh, I want a job.
You want to get a job. I see. Now tell me your name, please.
You can say John Smith.
Okay, John. Can you speak English?
Yes.
Please identify your ability level.
You can say other thing like advanced or upper intermediate or lower. The student, I mean, so the chatbot will understand if you say intermediate.
I see, John. Your language ability is at the intermediate level. Tell me about your computer skills. Are
You
you good at programming?
So you are learning the language from the conversation, actually, from noticing the language used by the chatbot. So the chatbot has the what we call scaffolding ability.
I see. Can you speak any other languages apart from English?
You can say that yes, I can speak Chinese. Actually, you can set the condition here, but you know you don't have to. Uh,
By the way, what is the position are you applying for?
and the position can be programmed, can be set as a set of entities, you know, with the same what we call the same um, entity in the parameter. You can set up the name of the positions. So in this case, when you say teacher, it doesn't have to be teacher. It can be any other position like professional nurse level 1 or something like that. And then when you say teacher, if you ask for
Please
some,
enter the code for the position.
if you enter the wrong code, uh, a chatbot
Please enter the code for the position.
will insist that you enter the correct one.
Please enter the code for the position.
Until you enter the correct one, it will actually let you know.
Your position as teacher. Your code as ABC 123,321. Next question is about your favorite color. Listen carefully. What is your favorite color?
You can actually say like green. Yes, I like green.
I see, John. Your favorite color is green. I offer you to go for another job interview. Please type. I request a job interview, please.
This is quite good. You set the condition to jump to the second round. So actually, you can see that it's very useful for you um, to help your students develop the oral communication skills, like in this case, a job interview. I mean, it's not the best, but it's improving all the time. That's what I like about the machine learning and AI technology, is that you can use it anytime, anywhere, and it's improving. You can actually set the algorithms, the context, and the use for the student to learn. Okay, I think I'm just showing you some glimpses of the technology that in front of us. I mean, it's not the near; it's just very near. It's just around the corner. I mean, um, foreign language education is going to undergo a transformation. I mean, not just foreign language education or language education, but other forms of what we call subject-based learnings. If you can, what we call, if you can make use of the automation, which can help develop the learners. I mean, as a teacher, you don't have time, you don't have actually all the time in the world to pay attention to individual students. You can actually ask the student to, you know, to log on, to actually, it's not too difficult. You just ask, 100 students to talk to a chatbot or to have a conversation with a chatbot at the same time. I mean, it can be done. I mean, up to several of thousands. Actually, is the capacity is very depending on our setting, actually. And yeah, this is just an idea of what we call using a Dialogflow chatbot. I mean, there are other platforms. Dialogflow is very accessible and it's not too difficult to use. You don't need to know, like programming languages like Java, Pythons. You only need to what we call learn how to use the system. Anyway, I'm Jan Pathaputon. I hope you enjoy. So let's say you want to go out of it, you can say that thanks you.
It's my pleasure to help. It's my pleasure to help.
You see, chatbot is very useful for you to learn English language skills. Okay. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm Janpa Thatputhon. If you like my show, subscribe to my channel, Janpa Channels, and you will have access to many useful video clips on English language learning in general. Thank you.